Hey, y'all, we got a great idea for Halloween morning breakfast. Teresa said a little while ago, yep, we're going to start out with sugar and end the day with sugar with our trick-or-treat stuff. So, you know, I've showed y'all how Mama used to make Bubba and me quick fried donuts at home using the canned biscuits. Now, I'm cutting out a hole out of each one because I'm going to fry those holes too. And this is a biscuit cutter that I use to get my hole. You better stick around, Michael, if you want a donut hole. Okay? Okay? Cat got your tongue. Cat's got his tongue this morning. All right. I've got my, it's supposed to be 350. I got it to like 380. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit. And we're going to drop these in the fryer. And these cook very quickly, y'all. But instead of powdered sugar, we're going to do a little something for Halloween. Oh gosh, I need room for one more. All right, where's my fork? I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
These types of donuts are some of my favorite childhood memories.
I know. All right, now look at this. I'm flipping them. See how beautiful and golden brown they are, y'all? There was a little restaurant down in Panama City when we used to take the boys when they were little. And we would go there and get a seafood basket. And they served with the basket a fried biscuit. And it was so good. So it wasn't like a sweet like these are gonna be. They were savory, meant to go with the go along with the seafood.
I'll take it, a fried dough anyway.
I know. It was so good. I don't know whatever happened to that little place. Okay. When I put that cold dough in there, you know, it dropped our temperature, so I'm trying to get it back up there. We'll just flip them until they're equally brown on both sides. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. And we got to fry our holes too. Can't forget about our holes. Okay, here we go. We got donuts, y'all.
Look how good those look.
I know.
They's puffed up nice.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful fried donuts. And you want to fry these in deep grease now. You know, you want to be able to, for them to get deep in the grease. Okay, here goes the holes. In with the holes and out with the new. So this is what we're going to do to make them Halloweeny. Here, let's take this off so we can get down to business. I think I need to shake them, Teresa. I need a sack.
Right there on the...
Oh, look at that. Eddie's already prepared.
Yay! You want to put half of those? We need to do it while they're kind of hot. Yes.
Rest that all in there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And that's 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do the rest in the purple. And I'm going to stick these back down in the grease real quick like to get them wet. Get them wet again.
Yeah, they definitely, you got to do, all this is a fast process.
Yes.
I'm going to let you
What are you doing?
I'm putting these in there. You're going to put that hot one in here, and then we're going to
Okay.
do these orange, and I'll do the other ones purple.
Okay.
Because the orange is not really... Go ahead.
Yeah, we just need to go fast.
That's insane. You got any more?
I got one more.
I'll tell you what else.
Plus some holes. Well, this didn't turn out as good as
But there you go.
I would hoped. I think the purple, the darker color, works so much better, you know, than the... Oh, there we go. That one looks good.
And you could do black, or you could...
Yeah.
And you don't have to put as much, you really don't have to put as much.
I like that one.
I have some cookie.
I like that one. That,
See, now they have the...
yeah. Do it on that one right there.
A little bit of everything.
Spooky, spooky.
Now it looks like...
I love that one. That one turned out real good.
That was at its hottest.
Yes.
Went right in. So if you almost had like a little bag and did like cook
They-
two at a time and then did them.
Yeah, it said to drain, but, you know, I've always just used just plain powdered sugar when I'm not doing for Halloween.
You could buy a frosting
Yes.
or like, you know, the gel and just do the little gel over
Yes.
the top.
I wonder what it would look like if you press the dough into this before you fried them. I wish I'd save one for that.
Still good.
It's so good.
I don't see any child
Have a
putting
hole.
these down with
Have a hole.
or without. Love.
I mean, that one did so good. Yeah, and the holes, you can just almost press them. Anyway, the kids would have fun doing this. You do the frying, mama or grandmama, and then let them do the shaking. Shake and bake, and I helped. Have a great Halloween, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.